Hey everybody, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, where we take complex business problems and solve them with simple, powerful Excel tools. For over 16 years, we've been building Excel-based automation solutions that help companies around the world save time, cut costs, and reduce manual errors. Every week, we hear from clients who are thrilled with how much our tools have streamlined their processes. If you check out our 140 5-star Google reviews, you'll see exactly what I mean. Today, I'm excited to introduce our Mileage Based Payroll Calculator, an Excel tool designed specifically for companies that pay their drivers based on mileage. Whether you run a courier service, delivery business, transportation company, or use independent contractors who get paid per mile, this tool is made for you. Like all our Excel tools, this payroll calculator requires no installation and no coding. It's built entirely in Excel and integrates directly with the Google Maps API to automatically calculate driving distances, saving you hours of manual work. To get started, paste your Google API key into the settings area. Then go to the Drivers tab to enter each driver's name along with their pay rate. You can apply a default per mile rate or assign custom rates as needed. The tool also allows for flat rates, paid free miles, and other flexible pay structures. Plus, the template sheet lets you brand your payroll reports with your company name, logo, and address. Next, you go to the Trips tab and enter the trip details: date, client name, driver name, pickup and drop-off addresses. The driver name is essential. If a custom rate is set for that driver, it'll automatically be used in the calculation. The rest of the trips will default to your base rate. After entering the data, just click Calculate Trip Data. The calculator will instantly fetch and compute driving distances, trip durations, and total payments. Once that's done, click Generate Payrolls, and boom! Individual payroll sheets are created for each driver, showing their total mileage and earnings. It's incredibly fast and accurate. Once you've reviewed the data, you can export payroll reports as PDFs with just a click. You choose the Save location in the Settings tab. These PDF files are ready to be sent to your drivers or forwarded to your accounting team. It's all handled right inside Excel. No third-party apps, no extra subscriptions, no hassle. If you'd like to try this mileage-based payroll calculator for yourself, just check out the link in the description. If you need a custom version to match your specific workflow, don't hesitate to reach out. Our phone number and email are in the description below. And yes, we do answer the phone. When you call, you'll be speaking directly with our mastermind, Vinny. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with others in your industry, and hit that subscribe button for more Excel automation tools. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next release. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.